Tribe up, we are live on Patreon at 8:45, man. About an hour from now, man. Click the link below. Get the free premiere, man, of part 2 right here. The fog entity, a molecular level AI embedded in the vapor gates of the firmament ball. Operation Fishbowl, we talking about it all. We talking about these weird skeletal, you know what I'm saying, entities that people are finding in fog samples, man. And the fog is their last open gateway, man, to penetrate, man, through our breath, man. Since we're coding up, since we got our frequency up, man, they're trying to penetrate through the breath, man, the breath gate. So, keeping it cold, man, staying in high frequency, guarding your thoughts, man, your vibration is an all-time high, man, because you got to deal with stuff like this, entities in the fog, man. So you see the clicker, man, about an hour and 25 minutes. Click the link below. We're doing a live free premiere. This way we can still, drop a lot of free drop, man. We've been doing it for 10 years, just dropping that drop, man. But if you want to support us, man, $3 a month on Patreon, it goes a long way because those $3 really add up. I guess then we got fence funds, man. We got platform building funds. We can keep the lights on. You know what I'm saying? We can, work on projects, man. We can work on our books. We can publish. We can do different things with your support, man, your continued support. So right after the live free premiere, it's going to go into the vault, man, you know what I'm saying, for the paid $3 a month members, man. So you got a couple noggins, man, spend $1 and get that $3 membership. And again, it goes to support the whole platform because we've been dropping free content for a decade. And, this is now building, man, like we are, in tribal build mode, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to have a lot of different tiers, a lot of different ways to support, to be sponsors on what we do, like the Soulbone podcast, man, to sponsor MHOE, man, so we can get our garments, you know what I'm saying? All this is happening in real time. ThaWaDa for all your love, your support, your Conglomerate packs are on the way. You see my eyes, man, I've been working overtime, just loading this stuff up, this 256 gigabytes. I really wanted to be the everything pack. So, Shalaka is taking longer than expected. It's a bigger hill to climb, you know what I'm saying? Then we even, knew going in, just to get a 256 gigabyte flash drive with a dual port was a challenge in itself. But we got all the packs we need. We got all your confirmations, and you can, continue to just send us email after email just to make sure, you know what I'm saying, that, you got, on our mailing list, right? So we can pop it off. So look out for your emails and your responses, and ThaWaDa for all delays and confirmations and all that. But we like the Dark Knight Rising, man. We climbing up out of, so much infiltration in Hijack City and just the Matrix, you know what I'm saying, trying to stop these projects, trying to stop our flow. You have no idea we go through. We don't share the half of it, man. I want this channel to be all about building in high frequency. I don't share and confess enough of how much the hijack be hijacking to stop the drop. But they can't stop the drop, man. They can't get us out of code. They can't get us out of character. You know what I'm saying? They can't diminish our frequency, our indigenous truth, our orientation pies, and our orientation enchiladas, my niggas. They can't get us out of code. You feel me, man? They can't spin us on a ball no more, man. So your support go a long way, man, just in your comments and your love and your prayers. You know what I'm saying? AHOP to all your donations, man. On all the platforms you're doing it. My nigga, you getting us through for real. You getting me through. You getting the con through, man. So we on Patreon, man, just to dodge all the censorships of YouTube. Eventually we'll be direct at 432 to drop. Look out for a radio platform, the Ether Squad, to start popping off again, coming in hot, live and direct right on our website. Look out for a brand new app. Look out for a brand new cool Scrollgate outside of OpenAI. We building a separate app for Coon. Like, this is what's happening, man. So it's not on the OpenAI no more. We're being hijacked. We're building the brain, man. You know what I'm saying? So look out for the Coon Gate. Just look out for us, man. This is what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, join me live, man. The countdown is countdown, and I'll be in there, man. And get the free premiere, because we're going to start doing this regularly, especially on Patreon as we get knockers over here. We're going to drop a free premiere, And then right after the premiere, it's gonna go right into the vault for the $3 a month paid Patreon members. So look out for, join the YouTube membership as well, because we're gonna drop exclusive content for the YouTube. And we're gonna run it up for the Land. We're gonna run it up for Joy World. We're gonna run it up for MHOE. We're gonna run it up for Frequency of Learning, our homeschool curriculum program, man. We're gonna need support for that. So all this is supporting the full framework, man. We're gonna run it up for the Soul Bone podcast, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of this stuff we come out of pocket with. This helps us, man. Supports the whole framework, the whole flow, the whole vision, man. So get in the classroom. Please join the Patreon membership, because most of our free, long form content is going to be over here. We're going to have content for our supporters, members and all that stuff over here. We're going to have different tiers of support, just like our YouTube membership channel. And eventually we'll have the same membership going on directly at 432thedrop.com, where we'll have exclusive videos only available on our website at 432thedrop.com. Do you see it, man? Do you get it, man? I know y'all get the vision, and we building, man. We building with you. We tribing up, and we need all the support for real we can get. We're doing this full time. We don't have no side gigs, no side hustles. This is 100% involved, in building homeschool curriculums and building tribal garments, MHOE, AHOP to MHOE, Macho Ma, Five Eyes Ma. You know what I'm saying? We building tribe up music, my nigga. We building 432 radio networks filled with, tribe and educators, that have their radio shows and their education platforms popping off right through our app, right through our website. We're rebuilding a brand new app. We're building our own AI app, Coom, scroll memory app. Like, this is what we're building. Land in real time, Joy World and fence building. We're painting our cedar wood fence blue, purple, red, white, linen, gold thread. I'm going crazy, but we need y'all, man. We need y'all support. When you see drop, delayed with the videos, it's because we putting all the drop on flash drives, man. And we got a tribe that's been patiently waiting. And I appreciate y'all. I got your emails. I got you on the list. Don't even worry about that, my nigga. Drop always showing up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm always going to show up for y'all. I'm always going to show up and show all the way up for my cons. You know what I'm saying? So let's look out for your flash drives, man, that everything packs. If you ain't got yours yet, email us 432thedrop@gmail.com. And make sure, you surfing the wave, man. At ThaWaDa, for your faith in me, I got faith in you, man. You surfing the wave with me, my nigga, I'm surfing the wave with you, man. 432 The Drop Radio. Appreciate y'all. Hey, 1 hour, 18 minutes, man. Click the link below. Get in the Patreon. If you're seeing this on IG, click the link in the bio, in the profile, and get in the Patreon. A lot of our long form content's gonna be on Patreon. We're gonna dodge the censorships. We're gonna run it up for the tribe, man. AHOP to the cons. Drop Nation. Halal HaWah. Tribe up.